What's up, guys? This is George coming to you with a travel vlog, and I'm here with my daughter, and we're on a family vacation right now on a trip to Boston, Massachusetts. This is our Airbnb that we're chilling in.
A house.
A house, a nice house here in Boston. This is where I'm actually originally from. And so we're having a good time, kind of like a family reunion, and so just wanted to just drop a little real quick short video of some value from my red pilled brothers on some parenting advice for all my single fathers out there, my single dads, and that one of the best things that you can do as a parent is just simply to be involved in your child's life. That's it. You don't need to. I know it can be stressful being a parent. We want to make sure we're doing the best job possible, and it's perfection is a myth. Don't stress yourself out about being perfect and doing things wrong, and all you can do is all you can do, but all you can do is enough. And by being just simply involved in your child's life, it's going to make a world of a difference. And so that's it. I'm going to do so many more videos on this, going more into details and in depth on it, but just the foundation of it is, don't worry about being perfect. Don't worry about having all these amazing techniques and things like that. Just be involved in your child's life, and that's going to make a world of difference. You think I'm a good dad? I hope y'all are having a great day, and I'll update with some more travel vlogs throughout this trip.
Every day.
Every day. And I hope y'all are having a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. Say it. Let's make it a great life.
Make it a great life.
Alright, guys. I love you guys. Good night. Say good night.
Bye. Good night.